Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian Haven experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. This particular suite is the top suite on the ship. It's the Haven Deluxe owner suite with large balcony. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's a beautiful amount of space. Now I'm going to go through all the details, review the amenities as well here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this incredible suite, make sure you do it early. Of course, these do sell out pretty quickly, but of course, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with Norwegian, Regent, and Oceania, and we know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, being that this is the top suite on the ship, of course, you're going to get everything that Norwegian has to offer. That's going to start even before you arrive here on board, and your Har Travel advisor can guide you through that process to make sure you get the very best value for your money. We'll be able to connect you with the Haven concierge team because you're going to have early access to book entertainment and dining to make sure you get exactly what you want out of your vacation. In addition to that, when you arrive at the pier, you're going to have priority embark and disembark privileges throughout the entire cruise. Of course, you're going to have access to the beautiful Haven Courtyard, the Haven Lounge, the Haven Restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. That's a highly upgraded experience. And then you have the Haven Sun Deck. And being that you're located in the Haven complex, you're just a few steps away, and only those guests with Haven access will have access to those amenities. In addition to that, you're going to have world-class butler service. They're going to be with you every step of the way, whether it's packing and unpacking, drawing a bubble bath, or arranging for your meals in suite or around the ship. They're here to elevate the entire experience for you. Now, there's many more amenities than that, and we'll go through them all as we tour the suite. Now, as you walk in the door, you're going to have a nice long entry hallway here. You see the beautiful chandeliers up above, and a really nice touch is just to the side, you're going to have a half bath. So you've got your sink and, of course, the commode in there. And what's great about that is if you have friends or family coming over or even staying in the suite, they're going to be able to utilize that without heading into your personal space. Now, speaking of that, you also have a great coat closet here. So once again, if you have anybody coming over to visit or if you have anybody staying in the living room space, they're going to have their own dedicated storage. Now, as we head through the door here, we're going to head into the second bedroom. Now, it's a really nice space for a second bedroom. You're going to see you have a sofa here. It directly across is a large flat panel TV. It's the first one we're going to see. Fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and movies on demand. Now, what's great about this couch is it actually pulls down in a Murphy bed configuration. So as they pull down on this, that's going to fold the bed down. They give it a really nice, authentic mattress. So it's not a secondary mattress, it's a real mattress. They also put the foam toppers on there as well. You're going to have storage on either side, so you've got it up above and down below. And I love that they have all the light controls right here next to the bed. And once again, because this is a sleeping area, you also have a US plug and USBs on either side. Now you're going to have a coat hook here. You've got storage up above and storage down below. Next up, you'll see your vanity where you can sit and get ready. You've got a US plug, a European plug, you got a hairdryer underneath, and you'll have storage on either side along with the stool where you can sit and get ready, and they've got the large lights up above. There's a floor-to-ceiling mirror here, and then tucked just behind, you're going to find an entire wall of storage. So in here, you're going to find hanging storage that goes all the way across. You've got those extra comfy Haven bathrobes and slippers you can utilize on board. On the other side here, you'll see it extends, and then this is actually going to open up to be even more closet space. So you've got your safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. You've got shelves all the way up and down, and then of course drawers down below. Heading into the bathroom, I love that they have an upgraded Haven bathroom in here too. So you've got plenty of storage space here with the vanity. You've got storage up and down, those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities, and the nice little touches like your shower poof here. Now, as I step into the shower, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually fit just fine in here. You've got your rainfall shower head up above, that full swish shower experience, the adjustable shower wand, and more of those upgraded L'Occitane amenities. Now, as we continue through the entry hallway, you're going to find all of your light controls to the side, and then it opens up to the massive living room area. Now, this is a true living room. Now, you're going to have a ton of space to spread out and, of course, host friends and family. You see the large sofa over here to the side. Keep in mind that that does fold out, and this would be where the 5th and 6th passengers would stay. Same thing as in the second bedroom. They've got a nice US plug right there, so you have plenty of room to charge. You also have the coffee table in the middle, a nice reading chair here with ottoman, and a large flat panel TV. Second one in the suite that we've seen, also fully interactive, so you can see what's going on around the ship, watch those movies on demand or television. Now all of this is angled to look out and take advantage of the incredible forward-facing views. We're at the very top front of the ship, and you can enjoy those views from right here at your dining room table. Now keep in mind, your butler can arrange white tablecloth dining every single meal right here in your suite. You may want to save that for outside though, I'll show you why in just a minute. But they can arrange that from the Haven restaurant during breakfast, lunch, and dinner hours, or from the expanded room service menu. The other thing I love about this, it's a great place to gather for the family, maybe for a family game night, or gather with friends. Now tucked over in the corner here, you're going to find the large butler's pantry. Now you have an espresso maker. I love that because I start my day at home that way every day. You can utilize that while I'm here on board. You also have a selection of tea fortes. You'll have your Bose surround sound. There's a mini fridge underneath here, and then you'll notice that you have all of your cutlery, stemware, and glassware because of course, as we mentioned, you can dine right here in your suite. There's also more storage built in underneath. If you have anybody staying in the suite here in the living room area, they'll have their own storage here and with the closet. And speaking of storage, this entire wall has storage as well. So you'll see that you have storage up and down here and on the other side as well. Plenty of space to tuck your things away. Now let's head into the master bedroom. Now as we head into the bedroom, I'll point out one of my favorite features. It's the door. I love my family. I love traveling with them and friends, but having that separation of space really goes a long way. Now right here in the middle is your large king size bed. Now this is one of those upgraded Haven beds. It's extra comfy. In fact, my wife and I have some of our best nights sleep on these beds. You've got the upgraded pillows and pillow menu to choose from, upgraded linens and mattress. Now there's plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. It does not split into two. We get that question all the time, but it's a true king mattress. Now you're gonna have storage on either side with the nightstands. You have a US plug over here and then USBs on either side to charge your devices. You have full lighting controls and a directional reading lamp so you don't disturb your partner in the evening. Got a great light feature up above, and then directly across from the bed, you're gonna find the third large flat panel TV. Now, one of the great things about this particular suite is where the bed is angled, you're looking directly out the side of the ship, so you get those incredible ocean views. And then if you look to the side, you're actually looking out the front of the ship. So from here, you can see forward and you can see side-facing views. Now, as we step around the corner here, you can actually see that there's another balcony. Now, once again, we'll take you out there in just a minute, but first, let's head into the master bathroom. Now stepping inside, you're gonna find another large space. I'll start with the closet area. Now it's a true walk-in closet. So you've got hanging storage all the way across here. This will pull down for more hanging storage. There's storage up above, down below, more hanging storage across. Of course, those extra comfy Haven bathrobes and slippers, storage up and down. And then you'll also find another safe, perfect size for passport or wallet. Now as we head in, you're gonna see all the beautiful white marble decor. This suite is light and bright and stunning. You've got a nice vanity area here where you can sit and get ready, large backlit mirror, US plug and European plug, built-in hairdryer underneath and storage to the side. You're gonna see the extra large soaking tub here. As I mentioned earlier, you're gonna have an incredible butler. They can even draw a bubble bath for you. You can imagine heading out, maybe dog sledding or exploring an incredible destination in the Caribbean, coming back, having a nice soak with a bubble bath, a glass of champagne, and then heading out and enjoying the incredible vessel. The water closet's tucked just behind. I really appreciate that that's tucked away. Now tucked right around the corner, you're gonna find the large double vanity, more of those upgraded L'Occitane amenities, storage underneath, and then quite a bit of storage on the sides as well. And then right here on the side, you're gonna find the shower. Now, it's a really nice large shower, but what's great about this are the incredible views. Now, they do have a privacy screen that'll pull down if you're in port, but you can utilize this while you're sailing. Absolutely gorgeous rainfall shower head up above. You've got the Swiss shower feature here. You're also gonna have the adjustable shower wand, and I love that they have a marble bench seat. So now we're out on your extra large forward-facing balcony. Now you'll see here, you've got 2 lounge chairs there. Once again, you're gonna get the same views as the captain as you sail in and out of the most incredible ports in the world. You're also gonna have a full dining table out here with 4 chairs. You've got a great seating area tucked over in the corner, and you can see why this is such a great place when you're hosting friends and family. You can have every single meal right here, maybe just a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take in these beautiful ever-changing ocean views and wake up in a different port each and every single day. Now, another great feature of this suite is that they do have 2 side-facing balconies. So you've got a small one around the corner. You're also gonna have the one off the master suite. So if it's a little bit windy up front here, you're still gonna have a space where you can head out and outside and enjoy. Now keep in mind, because you're located in the Haven complex, you also have access to all of those areas just a few steps away. I consider them an extension of your living room, your dining room, and of course your backyard with that incredible sun deck. When you're ready to make this suite your home away from home, or book any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with NCL, and we know we can help craft your perfect Haven cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.